Hello friends, today I'm explaining you how to contact YouTube support team to recover your YouTube channel if it is a brand account and if it is a not brand account. The solution is very simple if it is a brand account. If it is a brand account, just you log into YouTube support link, then it will explain you the steps how to recover your deleted channel of the brand account. Easily it will recover within few minutes. But if it is not a brand account, just uh, it is very difficult. Many people don't know how to recover that account. That's the biggest issue. But if you know the steps, it will be very easy. Just I am explaining those points detailedly. The first thing is just log into Twitter account, then follow the official YouTube support page in the Twitter account, then tweet your issue by tagging YouTube support page. After few minutes or hours, a human agent from the YouTube support team will reply. Then you have to explain the issue, how the channel was deleted in detail. Then they will guide few steps how to recover your deleted channel, and if it is not brand account, they will raise this issue to their internal team and then they will resolve it. And once it is resolved, it will reflect in your uh, account. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.